Hey Gear Seekers, I'm Nick. Logitech has tasked us with building a custom gaming PC to celebrate the Logitech G month of gaming here in Australia and New Zealand. So that's exactly what we did. We have built this custom gaming PC and it can be yours. But to find out how it can be yours, you better watch me build a PC. Let's do a PC building thing. All right, ladies and gents, I hope you enjoyed this pretty cool custom gaming PC. Now, I'm going to be honest with you, Claire gave me some talking points. So these are things I have to mention in the video, considering this is a sponsored video. Logitech's giving you the chance to win this custom gaming PC, but only if you're in Australia and New Zealand. There's a couple caveats. Basically, the way this works is you need to purchase a Logitech or Logitech G product or an Astro product over the period of April to get entries to win this gaming PC. I know it's a little bit different, but to be honest, guys, we're not running the giveaway. All we did was build this gaming PC. So for every single entry, it's like $50 you need to spend to enter to win this gaming PC. Look, if you're buying Logitech stuff anyway, you might win a free gaming PC, right? So, I mean, that's basically how this works. And this giveaway has been live from the 1st to the 28th of April. So even though this video is coming out later than that, if you've already purchased something, you can still be in the running to win this awesome gaming PC built by yours truly. As well as that, there's like a bunch of major prizes, a whole bunch of stuff Logitech's giving away, like a $15,000 trip to Tokyo for you and a buddy. And you can win daily prizes, 250 bucks a day. And I know I'm just like kind of rattling off what I've got in front of me, but yeah, this is pretty cool. Like I said, maybe I didn't say it, but this one is for the last week of April. This is I'm going to say it's the major prize because I built it and I'm feeling pretty major right now. Here's the interesting thing. This is week 4's prize, as I already said, but it's not just a gaming PC. You're getting the gaming PC built by this guy. You're getting an LG OLED monitor. You're getting a G915 gaming keyboard as well, a G502X Plus mouse. You're getting a G733 gaming headset, Litra LX beam, those little cool like streamlights that Logitech makes now. Actually, Claire uses one of those daily. She loves that thing.
I do.
She does.
I love it.
There's a Yeti GX mic, a Powerplay wireless gaming mat to like charge all your stuff, and for some reason, which I think is kind of cool, I don't know why I don't get one of these, but a gold Xbox controller.
Ooh.
Pretty sweet. Anyway, there's a link in the description if you want to enter this huge gaming giveaway from Logitech. So special thanks to Logitech and actually Corsair as well for hooking up all the parts for this build. Yeah, link in the description how to enter all that stuff. You like the music you heard here, I make all the music. It's available by clicking that little join button down the bottom in the description, wherever the description things go. I'm your boy Nick with Gear Seekers, giving away a PC with Logitech. Terms and conditions apply and all that jazz. We're not running this giveaway, it's all Logitech. You pick, we seek, and yeah, I'm out of here. I should probably call Logitech to come and pick up the PC now, right? Yeah, it's like the last week of month of gaming, yay. Gaming PC, free stuff, yay.
I also noticed at the bottom of the giveaway page,
Yeah.
there's a sneaky little competition for some Logitech swag.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Without a purchase.
Oh, that's pretty good.
So have a look at that too.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe I want some of that stuff.
Yeah.
Maybe.
I think there's a sneaky set of headphones in there.
Ooh. I am liking my Astro A50Xs. They're pretty good. Still rocking those.
Link the video.
Yeah, review. We reviewed that a while ago. Yeah, it was pretty good. Why am I still here? I thought I said I was going.
Maybe you could snap yourself out of existence.
Oh, yeah, that works. I'm still here. Where am I though? I don't know where I am. Have I just disappeared into like the PC builder's void? I have no idea where I am. Somebody let me out of here, please. Please let me out.